What if I told you that one simple fruit could naturally make your body look more balanced and confident without any workouts or supplements? I'm Dr. Jovan, and today we're talking about the power of pomegranate, nature's secret for women's beauty and hormonal balance. Pomegranate isn't just a delicious red fruit. It's a natural source of phytoestrogens, plant compounds that gently support the female body. These compounds can help your body maintain healthy curves, smooth skin, and balanced hormones. Every woman's body produces estrogen, a hormone that shapes and maintains the bust area. When estrogen levels drop or become unbalanced, it can affect firmness and overall body tone. That's where pomegranate steps in. Its natural antioxidants and phytoestrogens help improve blood flow, strengthen tissues, and support gentle fullness the natural way. Here's how to use it. Eat half a fresh pomegranate every morning on an empty stomach, or drink 1 glass of pure pomegranate juice. For even better results, combine it with milk or a few almonds. The healthy fats help your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. It's not magic, it's natural nutrition working with your body, not against it. So ladies, if you want to enhance your natural beauty from the inside out, make pomegranate a part of your daily routine. It supports your skin, your energy, and your confidence, all from nature itself. I'm Dr. Jovan. Stay natural, stay confident. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this little secret from nature.